to, yeah, no, come here. Come here. Alright. So it's Christmas and I'm doing my hair. Yes, this was a failed attempt at having beautiful long curls because I do have long hair. So now I'm just separating. I did Rolos and then I went under the hair dryer. And then, yeah, I put them into little curls with the pins, so you can see pins. And right now I'm trying to like loosen them up because they were in it for like a good day since yesterday. Now let me see if I can set this down. Failed attempt right now to set this down. Oh, I did it. Alright. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. Take this scrunchie that thank God I had in my pocket. Hairspray. Pins. Clips. And scrunchie clips and very nasty hairbrush. Let me clean it. I'll be right back. I will do my outfit of the day later at my job because it's all under. Yes, I have under. So, do it all at my job. Alright. So, take this other nasty one and clean it off. Alright. So, I'm going to separate the top, which is going to be this. Alright. I know they're not calling me. I work in like less than an hour. No, not my job, my mom. I have to get ready. Alright. Of course, you're not going to pass it through your whole hair, but I'm going to grab this, twirl it, turn it. Does not have to be perfect, as you can see. I don't have it perfect. This is going to be a mess. Okay, fast hairstyle. This is how the back looks. I don't know how it looks. They don't look that bad. It was like in this, and it was all curled up. Alright. So I'm going to take only the sides. So you can see about an inch. Inch and a half. Only the sides. Alright, don't take the back, just the sides. You take this. Just so I can have it separated. So I can grab the other side. See about that much. It's not going to be the same, like, on the other side. For me, it never is. Alright, so take this. Get the pins again. Put it. Now for the rest of your hair, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I don't want to mess it up. I'm just gonna pray to God that I don't mess it up. Okay? So I don't have a clip. Alright. So just clip the back. Now grab. See, it's not the same at all. Alright, let me grab a little bit more. This side. There we go. And now grab this. Let go of the thing. Alright. Now take this. The curls with me never look good. With me just having it all settled down. All just like off. Alright. So I usually have to do this. So I just take this scrunchie. What the hell? Alright. So grab it. Make sure you have the bottom. And now, after you have it, tie it. Alright? I'm 5 minutes in. Alright, this will be done in less than 10 minutes. Trust me. I'll take it more because it's morning and I'm tired. Alright. Alright. There you go. Oh, great. I'm gonna chop it. Good. So I don't like this being out like that. Whatever. Alright. I'll fix it after, but you get the idea. Because I always have to leave. Then grab this, set it back again, set this also back. Bless me, thank you. Alright, then set this up like that. And then you hairspray it. Not the curls though. But then you hairspray and all this. You can see I do need a hairspray. And that's it. This is my Christmas Day look. Alright, well, this is how the back looks. I don't know how it looks, but there it is. So hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye!